Hello traders, in this video we are going to see about one of the important topic which is teach by ICT, which is known as daily bias. What is meant by daily bias? Daily bias is nothing but direction. What is direction? Whether market is going to uptrend or downtrend. So if you are taking a trade based on daily bias, it is accurate high probability. Why? Because in daily, the market we know it is a bullish or bearish, which is known as bullish bias or bearish bias. If you are going to take the buy trade, okay, we know dollar liquidity. So if we know the direction where the market is going to know, we can trade easily. If you don't know direction, we can't trade. So with example, I will teach you guys, teach you traders, very simple. Okay, I am the person who is standing here. Here is one garden. You can think here is one garden. So there are a lot of roadmap. You can go there to reach that area. So if you know the direction, if you are a trader, if I am, I know daily bias, I can easily go to this direction. If you are new to trading, you don't know bias. What will you do? What the new trader do? They don't know the bias. So they will run like this. They don't know what I am going to do. They are okay. They don't know the direction where the market is going. Keep like this. If you don't know, if you are a trader, very simple guys. If you are newbie, you don't know where market is going uptrend or downtrend. If overall trend is uptrend, if you are if you don't know the bias, you will go to sell. If if you will land the daily bias, very simple. Overall trend is uptrend. You need to take uptrend trade, which is bias direction, which means the magnetic pole is here, the magnet is here. So the price will go to this area. You can see the price will go. Whether price don't go, you can wait. Sometimes there is some feed area like FEG. After this tapping this FEG market can able to reverse this and go to take your target. So please wait. If you don't know to what issues, if you don't know to find the buyer first, you need to find the buyers where the market is going on. If you find the buyers, then your trading style will be very easy, which will be very helpful for you. So guys, I think you understand what is in the bias. So what the time frame should be used for identifying the bias. Okay, first we need to go to for weekly. So weekly the market is bullish. Why? Because the market take this in way. Okay, we think the market is fully biased, bullish bias. So next we are waiting for in daily what the market is doing. So bullish bias, what we need. We think if the market closes above this FEG, we think the market is going to trade above, which means bullish. If the FEG are above this FEG, the body class closed, we think the market is going to trade higher, the liquidity will be here. Market is going to target this liquidity. So due to something, the market has been totally consolidation. Why I don't pair with this? Because the market is in consolidation, so we can see inside one candle, the whole four candle are sitting inside. You can see here, the four candle are here. You can see the lower time frame, what the market is doing. So if you don't understand, I will see very simple and teach with you in this rectangular side. You can see market is what is the market is doing. Everyone know. As a beginner, you can know what the market is doing here. This consolidation, range, choppy, everything you can see. So in this area, you know need to take the why you are going to lose your money in this. You can see after that breakout market go above. After this breakout market go above. So you need to go with the trend. If you don't know the bias, you won't take your trade. If you correct your bias, if you are proper with your bias, you can easily take your trade. So guys, I think you understand. Now we can see the gold as well as which is in bullish bias. If the market break, you can feel we see the bias in 4 hour. The market gold is totally bullish. Okay, then we will go to daily time frame. So what we are waiting in daily, what I am waiting in daily is the market should not close below this. The market should take this loss, which means this market is in consolidation. I think you understand what this is looking for, what the market is doing. Everyone knows. The gold is also consolidation. When I take my trade means when market break this low, I will go to buy. Why? Because the market will target this liquidity zones. So that's sort of that's not complicated. It's very simple, guys. If you have doubt, you can ask me. So tomorrow there will be an interesting thing I am going to teach you guys. So stay tuned, update something. Okay, guys. Bye, guys.